Hi, babies. How are you guys? Move out of the way, my baby. Where are we going? What day is it today? And what do we call it at church? It's war? Yay! Guys, listen so you can tell me later what you learned at Sunday school. Like it?
One thing I like about Sunday school, they are not doing things boring. Like, you see, when you go to church, when they preach, they make the adults like what some of the kids cannot understand. And then you're like, the only good part about the church is the songs.
Oh, okay, you love the songs. Come, guys, let's hurry up. We're a bit late today.
It's either we play